Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Vertutoy channel. New arrival GCD. This is actually a special release for Hobby Expo China, and it's the Mitsubishi FUSO Super Great. Let's get straight to it. So, quick look at the packaging first. Outside here, you can see it does look like it's a real. It's based on a real truck, but I'm really not sure because. Let's look at the car at the back here. The plates, possibly, I don't know. I'm not sure if this is China or Japan. Okay, so really not sure where is this based. Possibly in Japan. So this whole photo does look real. Okay, and it does have the Suzuki Transport Co. Limited. And a quick search, it is a real transportation company in Japan. Oh, so probably this is a real transporter in Japan. Okay, so let's have the Suzuki Transport Co. Limited since 1970. Liberty Walk. Again, the Suzuki brand name, hashtag Liberty Walk. Very nice packaging actually. Okay, this is GCD number 425, 1/64 scale, LB trucks. Mitsubishi FUSO, super great. Underneath a couple of different languages. Licensed by Liberty Walk. Okay, Sun Art International Enterprise. No signs of licensing from Mitsubishi. Anyway, okay, so just have the plastic outer wrapping. We're gonna open it up. Okay, let's go. Unsealed already, right? I noticed there's this piece of string of ribbon that I can pull. So let's see what happens when I pull. Okay, look at that. It's the inner box. That's nice. Okay, I can just pull it out. Not too difficult. And then there's the sponge on top. Let's open up and see. Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. That's how it's packaged this time around. Very different from the previous three that I have at the back here. That I have already done a full HD review, right? There we go. Look at that. Oh, very satisfying. So in the box, there's also the ramp, and that's a ramp. Okay, that's the ramp, and also a microfiber cloth. Okay, which we'll get to this one a little bit later. Because first, of course, we need to check out the truck first. Oh, look at that, massive. So this will be my fourth Liberty Walk truck. It's the base of the Mitsubishi that I mentioned, the transporter. Okay, so it has the opening parts on both sides, opening wing, gull wing, flaps. Okay. Oh, look at that. This is very satisfying. Very heavy. Okay. So one thing about GCD that personally I am always skeptical is their QC. Even the previous batch, right, of trucks, the set of three, there are some collectors who have vent their dissatisfaction online about quite a lot of QC issues. But fortunately, the one that I've unboxed seems to be fine. On the first look, on this, it does look okay as well. All right, so it does use the name Mitsubishi, right? Yep, on the product name, but I don't see that Mitsubishi diamond here. Okay, on the truck itself. Okay, so coming to this side, the side mirror, there we go. I think this is not supposed to happen. I think this is supposed to be straight, the side mirror. So mine probably I've broken off a little bit. Yeah, it's supposed to be sitting here like that. So unfortunately, mine has broke. And this does look like it's more of a shipping problem. Okay, but I'm okay with that. I think I can always try to glue it back. Okay, they do have the iconic Kenmeri in the KUMA design on this truck. Very nice, very big. Okay, the print quality on this thing is very nice as well. Since 1970, wind power, LB trucks, hashtag Liberty Walk, Suzuki Transport Co. Limited. Go to the rear. Suzuki Transport, I think that's what it stands for, ST. Nice, very nice, very heavy, solid. Okay, so let's lift up the door here. There we go. Hydraulics, it does stay up. That's very nice. And let's move it down. Okay, everything seems to be fine. I'm gonna open up the other side as well. Then push it open. There we go. So seems to be fine on both sides. It does hold up. The bottom portion opens up as well. And next would be the door at the back. Yep, that works as well. And the ramps. Okay. So, well, I'm wondering how will it work with this ramp, because all the Liberty Walk cars are so, you know, it's lowered quite massively, quite crazy lowered. So I don't think this ramp will actually work with the Liberty Walk cars. But anyway, just adjusting it so I can show it to you guys. There we go. All right, that's how the ramp works together with it. Okay, pretty cool. I just want to put this aside. So this didn't come with the stand that the previous set have. Okay, that set of 3 at the back there, it did come with an individual standee. So this doesn't come with it. Okay, so this is this original truck basically is modified with the body kit is actually available for sale. If I'm not mistaken, it's roughly 30,000 US dollars. Fenders, okay, the fenders, the front lip. What else? There's actually a list of items that come with it. The lowered suspension, okay, the custom aero components, the front lip that I mentioned, the grille mask, the bumper covers in front. Then there is the side steps. Okay, over here, the rear over fenders. Over here, then there is okay, it does listed right on the research that we did. Yeah, there we go. The side exiting exhaust there. Okay, instead of upwards, the side exiting exhaust is also something a modification by Liberty Walk package. That's what I understand. Nice. Look at that, pretty cool. So still considering, it may go into my permanent collection. So far, I only have one of this. Okay, to share with you guys, I will putting it on display over at Qube. Okay, but there is of course the set at the back there, right? There is a set I know that's available through Qube. There you go. So this is another new arrival from GCD. Let me know what you think about it, because I really like it. Okay, so remember to hit the like button, because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that don't miss on any of my other scale model videos. Coming up next, I got this too. Okay, feel me. Do stay tuned. Cool. See you guys. Bye.